Hey guys, I'm just going to show you how I remove the alkaline coating from off of my braiding hair before I braid my hair. So you're going to start off with some ACV or some regular vinegar, whichever one you want to use, and you're going to get yourself a bucket of water. Pour that vinegar in there, swish it around a bit, and then you're going to place your hair in there. So now I'm just taking my braiding hair. This is just some regular braiding hair, synthetic hair from my beauty supply store. And I'm just gonna open that pack of hair and begin to place my hair inside of the water and vinegar. So you know how when you open the pack of hair, it has a rubber band or this little twisty thing on it to keep it separated. So you wanna make sure you leave that on there, because if you don't, then all your hair is just going to be all around that water, getting tangled up, and you're not going to be able to use it. So just leave that on there and then just place however many packs of hair that you want to put in the water. So now after you have all your hair in there, just want to kind of push down on it just so it can soak in the hair and that alkaline base can come off. You'll see here in a second just how disgusting it is that we put this in our hair and it causes us to have itchy, dry, flaky scalps. Yuck. So now you're just going to pour out that dirty water. Be careful though, because it's all going to come out just like mine did just now. Now you're just going to put some fresh water in there. And then you're going to go in with a cheap shampoo. And this is just to get the smell out, just to make the hair smell good. So after you finish shampooing, you're going to go in with a conditioner. This is an optional step. You don't have to do that, but I felt like I just wanted my hair to be a little bit softer and easier to work with. So I just put some conditioner on there and I left it on for about 10 minutes. So after you condition, you're just going to rinse all of that conditioner out thoroughly. Get all of that stuff out of there. And then I just put my hair on a hanger, on a few hangers, and let it air dry. So yeah, that is all I have for you guys. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Check out more hair tutorials on my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.